Hello everyone, I'm Eric Dow, currently working as a senior maintenance engineer for an international manufacturing company, responsible for maintenance and project management. My expertise lies in the automation system, complemented by extensive experience in electrical and mechanical engineering. I bring several years of experience in maintenance engineering, fortunate to work in an environment with excellent maintenance foundation. This has allowed me to accumulate a robust maintenance foundations, of which I am extremely proud of and have full confidence in. The maintenance foundations include the fundamental maintenance principles. This is a core methodology. Anyone aiming for success in maintenance must truly understand and adhere to these principles. This presentation encapsulates the essence of the maintenance foundation that I have learned, applied, and compared across various companies. To me, it's invaluable, and I wish to share these insights with those fortunate enough to encounter them. And I confirm this the most practical and realistic the lecture on the maintenance foundation across all platforms. Reflecting on my experience, I have not changed many companies. I have spent time to fully experience the maintenance system of X manufacturing plant, and I have worked for an international food and beverage company and later for an electronics equipment manufacturing company. I believe my maintenance foundations are universally applicable and definitely brings substantial and tangible benefits. To improve my claim, here are some key performance indicators that improve after implementing the maintenance foundation. The first thing is about the machine downtime. Significant reduced by over 25% in the first 3 months, following by a 50% reduction in 6 months. And mean time between failures (MTBF) increased by over 50% from 24.5 hours to 51 hours. And not that these figures may vary depends on the industry and machine conditions. Overall equipment efficiencies (OEE), a measure of the machine performance, increased by at least 7%, reaching approximately 90% after 6 months. And the next thing about the maintenance costs, reduced by approximately 10% annually. And lastly, and importantly for us, the maintenance engineer, improve the peace of mind, allow for restful nights and days off. With my experience and maintenance principle in mind, if existing maintenance foundations are not implemented effectively, advanced maintenance methods such as total productive maintenance (TPM) or reliability center maintenance (RCM) should not be applied. And here are the 5 maintenance foundations which we can envision at the foundation of the building. If the foundation is not robust, the entire structure is at risk of collapsing. These foundations consist of 2 layers, and below layer is more important than above layer. The first foundation is the factory asset structure. The second foundation is work order management. And the third foundation is technical store management. And the fourth one is breakdown analysis. And the fifth, the final one is technical expert development. In summary, these foundations collectively form the foundation of our maintenance strategy. I will now dive into its foundation in detail to highlight its specific components and significance in the maintain a robust and efficiency maintenance system. And now, my course, Maintenance Foundations from Zero to Hero, is full and available on Udemy with a big discount. Let's take it and practice on your maintenance management. Thank you.